Now it is echoing.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now it started.
Okay. Acha, so perimeter means, what is the meaning of perimeter? You have understood, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Length of
Boundary.
its boundary. Okay. Suppose I am giving you one figure. This type of figure. Okay. Acha, this is joined. Huh? Suppose this one 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2, 3, 2 and 6 centimeter. If I am asking what will be the perimeter of this figure, of the given figure, just simply you will have to
Add them.
exactly. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Yes, Tom? This is the perimeter. Okay, all the students shake your head or you can say yes. Acha, okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
look at this. Okay, now for a triangle, here it is given, na, a triangle.
19.
So what will be its perimeter, this boundary length, yes or no? The
Yes,
red
ma'am.
line, I have marked that red line is the perimeter of the triangle too. Now what is the difference between perimeter and area? Okay, look, I have already drawn one figure. Look at this. This one, perimeter means only the length of its boundary. This one, though, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, area means the portion inside it. Okay, that
Yes,
means this portion inside
yes,
it.
Ma'am, the
Is it
space.
The space,
What is-
volume.
Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Total space, okay? Now volume, no. Don't get confused between volume and area, huh? It is area. For 2D figure, we can find the area, okay? Suppose in a room, you are sitting inside a room to all the students. And suppose you are standing on the floor. For that floor, we can find out its area, only area. But if we want to know the space of that room where you are sitting, that means that will be volume. It is a 3D figure, okay? That means for volume, basically the total space, how much thing you can keep inside the room, okay? But floor means just one surface. One surface, okay? Got it?
Yes.
Plain
Yes,
surface.
ma'am.
Suppose for each and every wall, for the roof, we are finding the area for the roof. For one wall, we are finding its area. But suppose for the whole room, then it will be volume, okay? I'll come to volume, okay? Don't worry, I'll come. But right now, just try to understand area and perimeter. Okay, so in the given figure, look at this. Here, this boundary length is known as what?
Area.
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Perimeter, exactly. And the blue color portion, blue color part?
Area.
Okay, good. Acha, now what to do? All of you just draw the figure of this triangle, okay?
Ma'am, I have drawn.
We have copy.
Ma'am, I can leave and join with another phone.
Okay, whatever you want to do, just do it fast, beta, huh?
Ma'am, big or small?
Whatever you want, okay? Big or small, don't ask silly questions, Trisha. Just, acha, below of the figure, you will have to write some points, okay? So give some space also. Acha, now first point, what to do? Perimeter.
Ma'am, now you can see me.
Yes, hey beta.
Ma'am, now you can see me.
Yes, I can see you now. This one ER, huh? Acha, okay, let me write it. Okay, all of you written? Oh my God, what is going on with the screen? It is automatically moving. Is it okay or it is moving?
Ma'am, okay.
It is okay, ma'am.
अच्छा 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 okay. Now just make a bullet. Perimeter we will have to write. I have
Ma'am,
written
please wait.
perimeter.
Please wait, ma'am.
It
I
has
haven't drawn.
vanished. Acha, I have marked this. Acha, let me wait the highlight of it. This length is known as perimeter. Yes.
Perimeter.
So you will also dark the boundary, huh? You will also dark the boundary. Got it?
Ma'am,
now
I have
perimeter.
sketch pen. Can I use that?
Okay, okay, okay. You can use that. Acha, perimeter means length of for a triangle. What will be length of its boundary? So write this one. Length of its boundary but here in case of this triangle, what will be its perimeter? Say sum of all three sides. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sum of all three sides. So write equal to sum of, suppose I am giving this one as A centimeter, B centimeter, C centimeter. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes. Sum of all three sides. So directly you can write A plus B plus C. Just let me write first A, B, C. Now write A plus B plus C. Acha, ultimately perimeter means also it is a length now, because length of its boundary. So length. So what should be the unit? It should be the unit of length, either centimeter or meter.
Meter. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Millimeter.
So not unit square, huh? It will be only unit.
Yes, ma'am. Means, ma'am,
Okay,
square
write down
is
this.
equal to change it equal, ma'am, square and rectangle, it will be square into two units.
No.
No, in case of that area.
In case of only area, exactly. Okay, now let me explain. Wait. All of you completed up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now for area. Acha, area means for a triangle, the area will be half into base into height, huh? Half into base into height. Now, what is known as height? Let me, acha, up to this, all of you completed, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just let me take a screenshot, okay? Now look at this. I'm clearing it. Acha, base and height means what? Suppose I am drawing this triangle, okay? Base means, hey, Trisha, mute, then talk, okay? Acha, now look at this. Base means the lowermost side. Look at this. This one, if we consider this as base, then what will be the height? Try to understand it properly, huh? If we consider this side as base, then opposite of this side, which one is the opposite vertex? Say, I'm giving a name, huh? A, B, C. Opposite vertex of BC will be what? Say?
Ma'am, A.
Ma'am,
A. Exactly. This one is the opposite vertex. So, from the opposite vertex, if we draw a perpendicular line, that means 90
Ma'am,
degrees.
can I go to toilet?
If we draw, go and come first. 90
Ma'am, we
degree,
have
a
to draw this
perpendicular
triangle
line.
also.
Wait. At first, try to understand. I'll give you time. And don't interfere, okay? Don't ask silly question, ma'am. Okay. First, let me complete this one. I'll give you time to write all the things. Okay, now look. If we have considered this BC as base, yes, so opposite vertex of BC is what? A. Now from A, if we draw a line, straight line, that's a straight line means it should be 90 degree. The angle between them, it should be 90 degree, okay? Got it? That means the perpendicular line. The perpendicular line, 90 degree means perpendicular line, okay? So it is called height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. Now, with respect to this BC, this base, this is the height. Now, you can ask me, ma'am, if we consider ABC, to ABC. Suppose you are considering AB as base, this one as base. Yes, you can do it. Then what will be the height? Then from opposite face, from C exactly, this will be the height. Is it clear to everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there? Acha, suppose we are considering AC as base. Then the height will be from which vertex?
B.
From
Ma'am,
B,
B.
exactly. So the formula of area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now look at this. Now everybody draw the triangle and draw this one, huh?
Ma'am, we have to draw another triangle.
No, in the same triangle, just draw the height. Okay, it will be better.
Okay, ma'am.
Give the name A, B, C. Okay. Acha, we have drawn this perpendicular line to give a name here AD, huh? So that means height is AD. AD is the height. Yes, to. Shuhana, Divyanka, Devolin, yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, write
Yes,
area of triangle. Area is equal to half into base into height. Acha, write in the same line, huh? There is no space. That's why I am writing here. Write in the same, in one line, okay? And make a box. Acha, that means for this triangle, what will be its area? Half into length of BC. Suppose length of BC is given 5 centimeter. Okay. And this height is given
Ma'am, we have to write it.
4 centimeter. No. This one no need to write. I am just explaining. Huh? So half into 5 into 4. Is it clear to all of you? Yes or no? Now I am coming to unit.
Yes, ma'am.
At first,
But
at
ma'am,
first
I can't
everybody
understand.
confirm. Which one? Which one, beta?
That you tell them, ma'am, half into 5 into 4, ma'am. But where 5 came?
I have considered the length of base is 5 centimeter. Look, I have written na? And
Okay,
this height I have written 4 centimeter. Look.
Okay, ma'am. The
How big
base
is
is 5 centimeter and the height
Exactly.
is
The
4
height
centimeter.
is 4 centimeter. Got it better?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what will be its unit? Just apply your common sense.
And
Acha,
square
what is the unit
centimeter?
for base?
CM.
Acha, centimeter or centimeter
Square.
square? Which one?
Yes, ma'am. Centimeter square, ma'am.
Centimeter.
Acha,
No,
who are going
ma'am.
for centimeter square and why? Who are going for centimeter square and why?
Ma'am.
Centimeter square.
Ma'am,
Acha, just I am
I
telling you one thing. Yes, say beta, say. First.
Yes, ma'am. I am disconnecting from the classroom, and can I leave from the class and then join again?
Beta, okay, do it first, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, now look at this. In case of perimeter, we have to add all the things though. Suppose I am taking
Mama.
this one 3 centimeter. Wait, this one 4.7 centimeter. Okay, this one suppose
Centimeter square, ma'am, I think.
okay, suppose this thing is going on. Okay, acha, in case of perimeter, usually what to do? We have to add all the thing. Yes or no? Add this 3 times, 3 sides. So just 4.7 plus 5 plus 5. Then the
We have to
unit
write
will
it,
not
ma'am.
be changed. No. I am just explaining why centimeter square. But in case of area, look what we have written. Half into base into height. Na? Look at this. Acha, base, that means the unit of base will be what? It is also a length, na? Centimeter. And into height. Length of unit of height will be what? Height is also length, na? It is also centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter. Now got it or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood? That's why basically look, we are multiplying these two things and unit of these two things is given centimeter, centimeter. That's why in case of area, we
Centimeter
use
square.
centimeter square. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Usually
Ma'am,
in the
double
higher class,
centimeter.
it will be explained properly. Okay, you can understand all the thing, but right now, how much is known to is required to I am telling only that unit square, or you can write square unit.
Ma'am,
Square unit.
I have my centimeter square.
Okay, for this. Inside the box. Is there any space? Then write square unit. Square unit. All the student completed after
Yes,
this
ma'am.
one? Yes, okay.
1
Now
minute,
look at
ma'am.
this. Now it is okay.
Square
Acha, now I am
unit.
clearing it, huh? Square unit. Yes. Acha, now come to this rectangle.
So, ma'am, we have to draw.
Yes, you have to draw the rectangle, huh? It is the length of its boundary. So this one is the perimeter. Yes, though. And the blue portion is the area. Yes. So now write. Acha, usually this is length. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Opposite sides are equal.
And rectangle is a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Quad-
Acha, this one is length.
Quadrilateral.
So we can denote it by L, huh? L. Okay. And this one is breadth. We can denote the breadth as B. Understood?
What you have written in there? Length and
Breadth. B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Okay. Acha, this will also be B. As there is no space, I am writing inside it. Huh? B, this length. This will also be B, though. Yes or no? Look, let me write this one. This will be
1
B, though.
minute,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me say. Acha, for the perimeter, what to do? Apply your common sense, length of its boundary. Just what to do?
Addition.
Huh, say?
Ma'am, can you say again?
What will be its perimeter? Perimeter, length of its boundary. Perimeter, say?
Who will say?
Who will say?
Anybody.
Into length plus breadth.
Ma'am, length plus breadth multiplied by 2.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
basically, this A
And
plus
two
B.
length plus breadth
2 into
multiplied by
length plus breadth. Ma'am, we have to
Exactly.
first.
Then we
This
have to add
one
the length
plus,
plus breadth.
oh,
And then we have to
shouting.
multiply 2 and then we have to
Bapre. What are you doing, huh? Just like a parrot, kichir, michir. What are you doing, huh? Acha, look at this. This will be length plus breadth. That means L plus B plus this L plus B. Yes or no? Acha, that means
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many
Yes,
L are
ma'am.
there? Two times L plus how many B? 2 times B. In both of them, there is 2. That's why we can write 2 into length plus breadth. Got it?
Ma'am,
no?
can I ask a question?
Ah, yes. Say.
Ma'am, in perimeter, all the here will be CM. The unit will be all of the square,
exactly.
rectangle,
Look,
triangle, CM.
why? Because we are adding to. In perimeter, we are adding to. In case of adding, usually the unit will be same too.
No, ma'am. I am
It is
telling that,
same
ma'am,
too.
in all
Because two
cases, like,
times.
ma'am, triangle, rectangle, square, the unit will be, ma'am, cm only, na, ma'am.
No, meter, kilometer. What? Which one is given in the